everyone, Melissa here. Yes, I have the camera flipped today. I kind of wanted to look at everybody face to face and talk to you about what I have going on today. I have my giveaway I'm setting up for 1,000 subscribers, and I just wanted to say to everyone's faces, I guess, that I appreciate every single one of you that follows me and that comments, and I really appreciate when you guys test out my designs and tag me and show me how you're doing. It makes me really happy to know that what I'm saying is getting across to people and that it's helping people improve their nail art. So thank you so much, everybody that has liked and subscribed, and I look forward to doing more fun nail art in the future. So now let's get down to the real business, and that is what I have for you for this giveaway. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around and I'll show you that. All right, and here we are back to our regular viewing angle. Now for what I have for the giveaway, the first item is a full set of double dip liquids. These are my holy grail. These are what I use in all of my videos. They are my absolute favorites. The kit, the full set, comes with the prep bond, the dip base, the activator, dip top coat, and a brush saver as well. So you'll get all of these. You will also get a couple of what we call in the dip nail community unicorns. I have first Zudi's Climax, which is a UV changer. It changes in UV light to a brighter pink. And here's our swatch for that. You can get an idea of how those tinsel kind of jump around. It's beautiful. And then we have Zudi also, Resting Witch Face. Perfect season for this. Coming up on Halloween. I know I'm going to be doing a ton of Halloween sets. And swatch for this. Also gorgeous color. So this is what will be included in the giveaway. Will be sent out to my winner. How to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is be a subscriber of my channel. You want to like this video, and then you will leave a comment saying 1,000 subs. Your comment will be 1000 subs. So I will pick the winner from the comments of this video. I will announce the winner, I'd say probably in my video next week. I want to give everybody a chance to enter. Hopefully I will have hit 1,000 subscribers by then, and I will scroll through and I will announce who's winning at the end of that video. So thank you guys for joining me. Thank you so much for subscribing and for watching, and just for giving me some fun things to do with my hobby. I will see you all next time. Thank you.